Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you can be with me here today. Good friend Walter here at the workbench. I just wanted to do a quick video on how much time does it take to get two planes out of a box from someone and get them bench ready. I have a 5.5 here, which is over 100 years old, and a number 6, which is probably 80 to 90 years old. I'm thinking it's in the type 15 range. I spent 57 minutes, and there'll be a long version tomorrow. You can watch the whole thing. From unboxing to inspection to honing and fitting the blade and the cap iron, which both blades are going to need grinder work, to bench ready users. What's the problem? Are they pretty? No. Do they have rust? Yes. Is it going to get cleaned up? Over time. The 5.5 has the low knob, and it only has the 2 1/4 blade. I was hoping it had the 2 3/8 blade, but it doesn't. It has a 2 1/4. I like blades that are interchangeable. The number 6, as you know, I have a few number 6. One I'm going to part with. It is my repaired number 6. Works perfectly fine. I just don't need 3 number 6 planes. So I will be parting with 1 or 2 of them. So when you're looking for old planes that you'd like to put in your workshop, remember my old saying. The first thing you do out of the box is nothing. The second thing you do is inspect it. The third thing you do is to hone the cutting iron, static electricity. Hone the cutting iron, fit the chip breaker, and test it. These have not been cleaned, they have not been polished, nothing. They're ready to use. If you have any questions on antique planes, what you need to do, put it down in the comments section. But I wanted to make it very apparent that any plane, I don't care how old it is, any plane that has life left in it, because you can have planes that have no more life left in it. I have one of those here. Actually, I have 2 of those here. It does not take a gazillion dollars and countless hours to get it to work properly. Okay? All it takes is a few basic techniques a keen eye, and just a little bit of patience. So there you have it. 57 minutes from unboxing to inspection to honing and sharpening and fitting the blade set to testing on both of those. So together, the two of them. So I spent a half hour on each one. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.